Ang ba kayo? Kasi nandito yung alien tsaka Linlang.
Hello.
Binati ni GMA Primetime Queen Marian Rivera ang aktor na si Paolo Abilino. Sa ginanap na pagtitipon ng mga batikang aktor ng industriya ay dumalo si Paolo Abilino. Dito nga ay nagkita sila ni Marian Rivera. Agad naman na binati ni Marian si Paolo Abilino. Binanggit din ng aktres ang tila pag-crossover ng kanilang mga serye na may Guardian Alien at Linlang. Ayon kay Marian Rivera, sabihin ko sana na Linlang ba kayo kasi nandito yung Alien at Linlang. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang netizens sa interaksyon ng dalawa. Narito at panoorin natin ang naturang video pati na rin ang encounter ni Marian Rivera sa iba pang mga artista.
Our new members, please stand and raise your right hand if you want to be a member. Kung inyo mamarapatin. Nandito rin po siya on the screen. You may also repeat after me. Sa mga new members po, please raise your right hand. So these are the 10 commandments of actor. Thou art yourself. Please repeat after me. Thou art yourself. Exercise your rights. Vote and be heard on matters of importance. To the organization. Every voice counts. We stand for democratic processes. Thou shalt not use the name actor to pursue your selfish and vested interests.
Thou shalt not use the name actor to pursue your selfish and vested interests.
Thou shalt not misinterpret. Remember to keep schedules and deadlines. And attend your organizational commitments dutifully. Be a team player. Honor other members regardless of their age, faith, gender, preference, and political beliefs and affiliation. Let us celebrate each other's uniqueness. Thou shalt not kill ideas and enthusiasm. And instead encourage a healthy exchange of creativity. Create a nurturing community. To champion a community of empowered actors.
Champion a community empowered actors.
Governed by professionalism.
Guided by humanitarian values.
In solidarity with other organizations within and outside the creative industry. With our stories, we act to transform ourselves and our country. So help me God. Welcome, new members, and congratulations.
Thank you, Chairman, and congratulations to all Actor PH new members. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Palakpakan nyo ang inyong mga sarili for that matter. Welcome. Masaya ito. Again, sabi ko nga kanina, you are in good company. Grabe, ang saya! Yung mga kabataan, pwede nyo akong lapitan kung kailangan nyo ng tulong, ha? Lalo yung mga kalalakihan na nakakailangan ng tips. Marami ako may tuturo. After all, writer, director din po ako.
Direct, live ka!
Nakakalimutan ko live ako. O sige, ako, eto na! Ayan naman, nagpipictorial sila. At habang yung isa naman, kitang-kita kumukuha ng Pilipinas sa Manila Craft. O, eto na muna, importante ito, ha? Habang nagchichikahan na Victoria, tatawagin na po natin ngayon to officiate the election of our new Board of Trustees from IGA, Direk Paolo Villaluna, and of course from Actor PH, Direk Marlon
Thank you.
Rivera. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Hello. Sabihin ko sana, nalin lang ba kayo? Kasi nandito yung alien tsaka lin lang.
Hello.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I would like to acknowledge first the president
Gab.
of all the members here. I am Martin Rivera. I am part of the Actor Management Committee. So we will go through the election of the board. This is a very simple election. Kasama namin ang Intergroup Alliance. This is Paolo Villaluna. Yes. In our first election, we always had the Intergroup to help us out. Like the Actor, Intergroup was established during the pandemic.
Aglaga live.
Safety nets, protocols, and we represented yung
Yee!
So,
Yee!
simple lang ito. And para magpag-inuman na tayo. I would like to acknowledge first.
Welcome to Actor!
So, this is the...
Guys, mag-hi kayo dito. Live to. Yay! Ha?
We always want a...
Na habang nagla-live ako.
Body to be the observer for the election. That's the limit kasi pinapakain siya. Next slide. So this is the Actor BOD elections for 2024. This is the winning elections. Next slide, please.
Grabe, tagal lang
So,
ito.
ito lang sa
Hi.
steps na to.
Sige, balikan ko kayo.
What are the open positions?
Oh,
Eligible to vote.
naka-live kayo. Hi!
So, just to be clear,
Hi.
yung binasa po na Google Drive ni Miss Isa Calzado kanina, hindi po kasalanan. Iba po yun. Iba po yung sabati niya kanina.
Kasi kinikita po si Grace
This
eh.
time, this is what qualifies you as
Sa balota na po siya. Balota.
And then, of
Sinapit na.
course, the process is very simple. We do it in the Google Drive.
Uy!
And then,
Ano sinasabi mo dyan?
okay, next slide. So ito po yung outgoing natin na board members. So we're looking for seven new board members. The board members, as a sponsor to Actor, what happens is we elect
Ala
them,
siya,
and
maayos
they
ka.
decide who the-
Live to guys. Mag-hi kayo.
And they will support the management committee. So binibigay namin yung pagkakataon na yun sa kanila. And of course, we always had
Arte ha. Di bagay.
an advisory board also for Actor. No? We also have advisories. Ito yung mga nagtatrabaho. Ito yung mga nag-set up. But yung wisdom ay kinuhugot namin sa aking advisory board. No? So, ito yung outgoing. And then, next slide please.
Ayan guys.
Of course,
Thank you for
kami yung,
watching.
vice-
Live to.
We will not elect these people. We will just elect the 7 board members.
Diba? Thank you for
Next please. So, ganito lang ang proseso ng Actor.
Hi, Mariel!
In Actor, we believe that every member has the right to be